Welcome to Wonka's World. I'm going to be doing a toy review of the Bumblebee Fist from Transformers. And there's three sounds. These are the sounds. Okay, so before I do them, there's a little handle. And then when you do it, there's another thing in front of it that you press down on, and it can make it do this. And there's another one, and another one. So there's two. There's also this one too. It's robots in disguise for like cars. This is how you turn it on right here. And then when you push it up like that, it changes the fist. The fist goes down, gets actually taller. And then if you shoot it, if you do the same thing with the noises, you can do this. And you can also, if you hold it like this, if you do it like that, you can also do that. And then and stuff. There's actually a music one, but it's on a different one. There's another one over there. Well, probably can't see it so yeah, we got it from Goodwill. It was $2.99. That's why it looks pretty old and it has all this color and stuff. That's why. If we had got it at like Target or Walmart, it wouldn't have looked like that. So yeah, I hope you understand on how to use this and stuff. And yeah, make sure you comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and actually comment down below what I should do next. And share this video and hit the notification bell. Bye.